got an unboxing to do, but don't have any coffee. Turns out my coffee machine broke. Looks like we gotta go for a drive. So let me show you real quick. Coffee machine on. You can see it's coming out. So yeah, looks like we're going for coffee. We're in luck. They're open. Yeah, I'd like to get a venti ice salt with caramel mocha. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited today to be unboxing this new MacBook Pro. It's the new 13-inch. It's got the M1 chip. This thing should be a beast. The computer I've been using is an old 2012 iMac. It's been serving me well for the longest time. Having said that, there are many things broken with it. The SSD has been giving me failure notices on it. The arm that holds it up has been broken, as you can see here. The screen has had some severe burn-ins. I've got dust spots. It's time to retire that thing. I was really hoping that Apple would release the new iMacs with the M1 chips, or with whatever it is that they're planning on putting in them. But for the time being, I'm really excited about this. I got the 13-inch. It only has 8 gigs of memory, and it also only has the 512 hard drive. I believe this thing is going to smoke my other computer, so I'm very excited. Okay, so I use a Drobo to connect to my computer. The biggest problem that I have right now, Drobo software does not connect to the new M1 MacBook. This is a big problem for me. The workaround that I discovered is that you can use an accessory such as this desk mate right here, made by J5 Create. And for some reason, it will mount the Drobo if I connect it through a peripheral such as this. So if you happen to be a Drobo user, make sure that you pick up something like this for the time being until Drobo comes out with a software update, so that you can connect your computer. At the moment, I am currently transferring all of my important files from my Drobo off to a Western Digital hard drive. The problem? It's taking hours and hours to transfer these files. I do not understand why, but for some reason it is transferring just ridiculously slow. So what are my thoughts on this computer? It's ridiculously fast, but I don't think it's ready for mainstream just about yet. I am not working for anybody else, so I only have to answer to myself. Right now, it does work with Lightroom and Photoshop. It does work for video editing. The hiccups are I can't use any external hard drives. So the tiny hard drive that is internal on this thing, let's face it, if I try to shoot raw video, I'm not gonna have the storage space. So there are some hiccups here. We'll try and figure it out as we go. What are your thoughts on this new computer? Do you think the M1 is gonna be a game changer? Talk to me in the comments below. Do you think this is going to be a game changer? Is the new M1 computer here to stay? What are your thoughts? Let me know.